Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, the king who went from the other country. Ito Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque, from the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan, Bali, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more: Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, in down to Visayas shore, Timos of this yogurt, coconut, and corn. Ay, Cebu, Bataan, Mandawi, ay, Bohol, Samarite, ay, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Tulanao, Cebu, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, Philippines at great history. Ay, Manila is the capital city. Ay,